Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel MJ Manjari, your go-to channel for everything educational and inspirational. I am super excited to talk to you about our national flag, the Indian flag. India celebrated 77th Independence Day on Thursday, August 15, 2024. On this day, many citizens across the country host the national flag over their home, office and locality, which symbolize the Indian people's aspiration and desire. The national flag of India is country's pride, which is loved and admired by people everywhere. After hosting the national flag on Independence Day, there are some rules which are mandatory to follow while taking down, storing, or disposing of the national flag. All the rules of national flag are mentioned under the Flag Code of India 2002. Let us see the steps to fold the national flag. Step 1. After bringing down the national flag, it must be placed horizontally. Step 2. The two bands saffron and green will have to be folded beneath the white band to make sure the part of saffron and green band are visible under the white band. Step 3. The citizen need to fold the white band inward from each side toward the middle in such a manner that the Ashoka Chakra is visible with part of the saffron and green band. Step 4. They need to carry the folded Indian flag in their arm or palm and store it in a safe place. Now let us see how to dispose of the national flag post Independence Day. According to the National Flag Code of India 2002, the national flag should be disposed of in a proper manner. As per the flag code, if the flag is in damaged condition, it shall be destroyed as a whole privately. The two sanctioned steps to dispose of the tricolor are either burying or burning. Dignity should always be maintained while disposing of the national flag. Now let us see the step of burying. The damaged flag should be gathered, folded and put in a wooden box properly and then buried. While burying the national flag, a moment of quiet should be observed. Now let us see burning. While burning the national flag, selecting and preparing a secure site is important. First, fold the damaged flag and once the fire is ignited, place the flag at the center of the flame. Remember, it is illegal to burn the tricolor without folding or igniting a flag before setting it ablaze. Paper flags. Paper flag, mostly used by children, should not be discarded on the ground. Like damaged flag, the one made of paper should be discarded in private, keeping in mind the dignity of the national flag. Penalty and imprisonment. Remember, violation of the provision laid down under the Prevention of Insult to National Honor Act 1971, which also lays down rules to prevent insult to the national flag, can lead to fine or imprisonment up to 3 years. So, let's all come together and make this Independence Day unforgettable. Let's show the world our pride, our unity, and our love for this incredible nation. Remember, it's not just about hosting the flag, it's about living by the value it represents. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to MJ Manjari for more such content. Let's make our country proud, one Tiranga at a time. Jai Hind.